Welcome back. Let's get you updates coming in from the state of Karnataka. Meanwhile, trouble that seems to be mounting for the Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar as supporters of Congress MLA Basavaraj stage a protest outside his residence, demanding for a ministerial berth for the leader. Now, the supporters gathered in large numbers, raising slogans insisting that he could be included in the state cabinet, as the protest highlights growing pressure from within the party over the cabinet expansion and distribution of ministerial posts. Now, Congress workers who are backing Basavaraj, who represents the Bayadgi constituency in Haveri district, has said that he's been overlooked and deserves a place in the government. Let's connect with Akshara on this. Akshara, well, that would be multiple individuals all eyeing for the cabinet berths and positions there. And of course, this is a headache that D.K. Shivkumar needs to deal with.
Well, yes, absolutely. After all the leaders getting to know that in the cabinet expansion, the young leaders and the young faces will be inducted in the D.K. Shivkumar's cabinet, all the young leaders are now demanding and lobbying for a ministerial berth. And as you can see from the past 2 days, you have supporters of all these young MLAs coming to Bangalore and staging a protest in the residence of, the Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, and also in front of the residence of former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. And they are demanding that these are the leaders who have been working for the party and they must be inducted into the cabinet. And already 20 odd MLAs have camped in Delhi trying to speak to the High Command, all the leaders there, to ensure that they get their name into the cabinet. So yes, the lobbying is going on to ensure that they get their names inducted in the cabinet. And at the very same time, D.K. Shivkumar, the Chief Minister, is also in Delhi. He'll be having talks with the Congress High Command, AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge as well over the other issue, the portfolio allotment issue that has been going on here in the state of Karnataka with Krishna Bairegowda, one of the senior leaders of the Congress, is unhappy over BDA and BMRDA not handed over to him because it has been retained by the Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. So yes, D.K. Shivkumar has been dealing with these two issues pertaining to the
Absolutely.
Karnataka
The
Congress.
issues with regards to people having been left out or overlooked, they believe that they deserve their due. And of course, when it comes to the ministers already that have been chosen in the cabinet, some of them seem to be unhappy with the portfolio that has been assigned to them. Meanwhile, speaking of Karnataka Chief Minister, he's said to be in New Delhi for a series of important meetings that is also lined up with the Congress leaders. Now, his visit also comes at the time when the report of the berth blues that are emerging within his camp amid growing expectations and demand over expansion of the cabinet and ministerial positions. Now, D.K. Shivkumar is expected to hold discussions with the party high command as well as the senior party leaders with key political and organizational issues that are likely to be on the agenda. So, Akshara, what are we hearing? The power play, however, continues as far as the engagement with the central leadership on state political matters.
Well, you see, a couple of days back, you had Ramalinga Reddy, one of the senior leaders of the Congress, was unhappy with the portfolio allocated to him, and D.K. Shivkumar, he spoke to him, he convinced him that, you stick to this particular portfolio. And just a couple of days after that, you have Krishna Bairegowda, one of the senior leaders, who's still upset with the fact that BDA and BMRDA has not been given to him. He's also trying to speak to the High Command, stating that he cannot have a practical authority over the Bangalore development portfolio if these two agencies are not given to him. So yes, there's a tussle between him and the D.K. Shivkumar pertaining to this issue, and that is one of the main reasons why D.K. Shivkumar flew to Delhi this morning, and the meeting is underway, and they'll be holding the meeting, they'll be holding the discussions pertaining what needs to be done, whether D.K. Shivkumar will give the BDA and the BMRDA to Krishna Bairegowda, or whether Krishna Bairegowda will be convinced to carry out his work without BDA and BMRDA under the Bengaluru development portfolio. Yes, that has to be seen how things go by.
All right. Thank you, Akshara, for joining in. So as far as the Chief Minister of Karnataka is concerned, this visit is also more important when he is in New Delhi, because it is coming at a time when there is a lot of infighting within the Congress that, however, still continues over the cabinet selection. Let's